Hi everyone, here I've got HUAWEI P40 Lite, and I will show you today how to reset app preferences. So firstly, let's begin with opening the settings. Okay, now we have to find apps, so click here. Now again, choose apps. Okay, and here we have to select the three dots icon. So let's open the menu, and here we've got the Reset App Preferences option, so click on it. And your device will ask you again if you want to reset app preferences, and if you want to do that, just click on Reset. And that's all. You've just reset your app's preferences. So if you find this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.